14 of exercise 5.1. Chapter is lines and angles. Let's do next question. Here it is given to us a figure that is AB and CD are two lines which are intersecting at a common point. Now we want to find the measure of angle XYZ. Firstly, we know that angle X equal to 55 degree by vertically opposite angle. Now angle AOD and angle DOB, these two angles are equal to sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree by linear pair angle. So angle AOD plus angle DOB, sum of these two angles is 180 degree by linear pair angle. So AOD is Y plus DOB is 55 degree, that is 180 degree. Now value of Y will be 180 degree minus 55 degree. So value of angle Y is 125 degree. Now we will find value of angle Z. Now since Y and Z are vertically opposite angle, so Y equal to Z by vertically opposite angle. So value of angle Z will be 125 degree. So hence in this way we will find the three values of angle X, Y, Z. Let's do next part. Here we will find the value of X, Y, Z angles. So here sum of these three angles will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair angle. So angle AOD plus angle DOB 180 degree by linear pair angle. So angle AOD is 40 degree plus BOD is X plus 28 180 degree. Now 40 plus 28 will be 68 plus X equal to 180. So value of X will be 180 degree minus 68, that will be equal to 112. So value of X is 112 degree. Now sum of these two angles is also 180 degree by linear pair angle. So Y plus Z equal to 180 degree by linear pair angle. Now here if we look at the figure, then angle Z equal to 40 degree by vertically opposite angle, because AB and CD intersect each other at a common vertex O. So AOD is opposite of angle BOC, which is equal to angle Z. So angle Z equal to 40 degree by vertically opposite angle. Now put this value in the above equation. Value of Z in equation this. So Y plus 40 degree equal to 180. So value of Y will be 180 degree minus 40, that is 140 degree. So hence value of angle Y is 140 degree. So in this way we find all the three angles measure. Now we will do next question. That is, if two angles are complementary, then sum of their angle is dash. Here it is given to us that two angles are complementary. Now by the definition of complementary angles, two angles are said to be complementary when their sum is equal to 90 degree. So two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is equal to 90 degree by the definition of complementary angles. Now next is, if two angles are supplementary, then sum of their measure is, by the definition of supplementary angles, that is sum of two angles are said to be, sum of two angles are equal to 180 degree if these two angles are supplementary. So here sum will be equal to 180 degree. Now third one is if two angles forming a linear pair are, अगर दो angles जो हैं वो linear pair बना रहे हैं, that means ये दोनों जो angles हैं वो supplementary हैं, because अगर वो linear pair बना रहे हैं वो एक line के ऊपर lie करते हैं दोनों angles, अगर वो दोनों एक ही line के ऊपर lie करते हैं तो इन दोनों जो angles का sum होएगा वो definitely 180 degree होगा. So sum of these two angle is 180 degree. So according to the definition of supplementary angle, if two angles are lie on a same line and sum of these two angle is 180 degree, then that is called a supplementary angles. So if two angles forming a linear pair, अगर दो angles linear pair बना रहे हैं तो वो supplementary होंगे. So they will be supplementary. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form dash. अगर दो adjacent angles supplementary हैं, means if we consider these two angles, then if they both are supplementary and are adjacent, then they form a linear pair. Now next is because वो दोनों जो angles हैं अगर वो दोनों angle adjacent हैं, adjacent means दोनों की एक जो आर्म है वो common होगी और दोनों का जो vertex है वो common होगा और एक जो आर्म है और इधर साइड पे वो non common होगी, तो वो दोनों जो है वो same line के ऊपर exist करेंगे. So अगर वो दोनों same line पे exist करेंगे, then sum of these two angles should be 180 degree. That is, they will be linear pair angle. Two adjacent angle are supplementary. Now, because it is given to us that sum of these two adjacent angle are 180 degree, so definitely they will form linear pair. Supplementary, linear pair, supplementary. Now, these are the key points. Now, if two lines intersect at a point, अगर दो line intersect करनी है एक point पे, then vertically opposite angle are, these are vertically opposite angle, they are equal. So here angle 1 and 2 is equal because they are vertically opposite angle, so they are equal. Now next is if two lines intersect at a point, let us suppose two lines intersect at a point O, let it be AB and CD. Now two lines intersect at a point. If one pair of vertically opposite angle are acute angle. Now it is given to us if we consider these angles, then these are two vertically lines, let it be AB and CD. If these two angles are acute angle, if two lines are intersecting at a point, if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angle, let it be 1 and 2. Now these are acute angles, then the other pair of vertical angles are dash. Now let us suppose measure of these two angles is less than 90. Now let it be 60 degree. Then measure of next angle will be sum, because these are linear pair, so sum of linear pair is 180 degree. So y will be 180 degree minus 60, that will be 120 degree. So therefore measure of y will be 120 degree, which is greater than 90 degree. So the angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree are called obtuse. So these will be obtuse angles. Hence we solved all the parts. Let's do next question. Now in the adjoining figure, name the following pairs of angle. First one is obtuse vertically opposite angle. Now our condition is that is the two angles should be obtuse with the vertical angles. Now two angles are said to be vertical when two lines are intersecting each other and the opposite pair should be equal. Then by the reason of vertically opposite angle. Now with this it is given to us that both of them are obtuse. Now if we look at the figure, that is vertically opposite angle with obtuse angle. That is angle should be have measure greater than 90 degree. Now it is only if these two angles are also vertically opposite angle, but measure of these two angles are less than 90 degree. So we can't write this pair. Now only this and this angles are vertically opposite angle and their measure is also greater than 90 degree, because if we see then this angle measure is, that is angle DO is 90 degree and AOD should be greater than 90 degree. So these two angles are vertically opposite angle with obtuse angle. So our answer will be angle AOD will be equal to angle BOC. Now second part is adjacent complement angle. Adjacent angles are those angles which has common vertex, common arm, non-common arm on either side. So adjacent angles are those angles which satisfy all these three conditions. Now firstly, if we see these two angles are also adjacent angle, common arm is present here in angle this and this angle, that is angle EOA and angle AOB. Here O is common vertex in these two angles, AO is a common arm and these two are non-common arm on either side. So these two angles are adjacent, but with the condition of adjacent, one thing more is given to us, that is both of them are complementary. So here sum of these two angles are 90 degree, that is they are complementary. So our condition is satisfied. But if we look at these two angles, then OE is common side in angle AOE and EOD and O is common vertex, but sum of these two angles is greater than 90 degree. So these two angles cannot be considered. Similarly, if we consider these two angles, OC is common arm in both of these angles, O is a common vertex, BO and OD are non-common arms, but sum of these two angles are equal to 180 degree, because these two angles are lying on a same line, and so sum of these angles will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair angle. So these two angles are not complementary. So one pair is left, that is angle AOB and AOE. Both of these angles are adjacent and sum of these angles are 90 degree, because this is 90 degree and these three are lie on a one line, and sum of these three angle is 180 degree by linear pair angle, because this is one angle, this is another angle. So sum of these two angle is 180 degree, and as this is 90 degree of measure, so remaining will be 90. So sum of these two angle will be 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary. So our answer will be angle AOB and angle AOE. is equal supplementary angles. That is, both of them are equal supplementary angle. That is, sum of these two angles should be equal to 180 degree. Second thing was they should be equal. That is, x plus x should be equal to 180 degree. That means 2x is 180 degree and value of x will be 180 upon 2, 90 degree. So both of the angles measured should be equal to 90 degree. If we look at the figure, then this is less than 90 degree, this is greater than 90 degree. Now remaining the angles are on the upper part of the figure. So sum of this two pair is 180 degree. So we are given that equal supplementary angles. So angle BOE and angle DOE. These are equal supplementary angle because sum of these two angles is 180 and each is 90 degree. As this is of 90 degree angle and total is 180, so 180 minus 90 will be angle EOB, which is 90 degree. Next part is fifth part, unequal supplementary angles. So unequal supplementary angle will be angle AOE and angle EOC, because this is an acute angle and this is obtuse angle. So these two angles are unequal, but sum of these two angles is 180 degree because both are lying on a line AOC. So our angle will be AOE and angle EOC. So sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. Now fifth one is adjacent angles that do not form linear pair angle. So adjacent angle that do not form linear pair angle is, these two are adjacent angle and they do not form linear pair angle. So angle AOB and angle AOE, this angle and this angle. These are adjacent angle because O is a common vertex, O is a common line, BO and OE are non-common lines, so all the conditions of adjacent angles are satisfied. So angle AOB and angle AOE, these are adjacent angles that do not form linear pair angles. Now again angle AOE and DOE. So second pair will be AOE and EOD. Third will be these two angles are also adjacent angle, but they are not linear pair, so DOE and DOC. DOE and DOC. These two angles are adjacent angle, but these two form linear pair angle. So that's all.